Ryobi 1 18-volt system. A Pappy review coming up. This 2-pack set comes with a 10-inch string trimmer and blower. I just finished trimming the hedges with my 22-inch hedge trimmers, and I'm going to remove the battery pack and place it into the 10-inch string trimmer. I waste no time seeing what it's made of and putting it to the test.
Well, let's zoom down there a little bit.
Watch here, as you can see, the 10-inch string trimmer has no problem cutting through these weeds, saplings, and vines. This trimmer is lightweight and easy to maneuver and get around things. I purchased this 10-inch string trimmer because it's small and lightweight.
Ryobi. Done with the weed whacker. Now the blower. Oh, there it is. Same battery.
This lightweight blower has no problem blowing away all of these trimmings and is ideal use for Mama Pappy. Easy to handle, maneuver, plenty of power, and will work just fine for your sidewalks and driveways to clear away your blades of grass.
Well, there you have it. The Ryobi system. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you.